This is our group, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Torres Farm here, guys, at Naik, Cavite. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ako. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alay mo guys, sinundo pa kami ng banda dito sa domestic airport. Papabos dito guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Marnado Vlog. And for today's video, we're going to tour around the world. So guys, before anything else, kung bago kayo or napadaan sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Marnado Vlog. So, hanapin namin yung caramel daw, guys.
Talaga piloto, nakapilot din talaga doon.
Mga stewardess.
Tapos naka-makeup din talaga sila.
Stone ends.
Gusto ko yung vlog.
Very Instagrammable, guys. Oh.
Hindi ka na maliligo.
Stretch
Lahat
mo ba
na
ito?
pangligo eh. Lahat may...
Straight.
Caramel daw. Saan ba yung caramel?
Lagay namin.
Diretso.
Diretso lang.
Ay, ito ata yung parking pa
Ayan,
eh.
guys. Ang aming wristband sa Torres Farm. Sinong taya? 1, 2, 3. Nakalain mo guys, sinundo pa kami ng banda dito sa domestic airport. Guys, mayroong pababol. May pabanda pa. Ayan guys, yung mga mascot ng dumating. mascots na dito guys. Pwede kayo magpa-pictures.
DJ Joseph at the North Remix Fusion.
Ito pa bubbles dito guys. Yung machine ng bubble. So, ito yung bubble party dito guys dito sa Torres Farm. Ito yung pa bubbles dito guys sa Torres Farm. To Aladdin Castle here. So the Aladdin Castle once again guys. Guys, yung Santorini. So dyan kami nag-check-in. And guys, welcome here to Santorini. So dyan kami guys sa loob cottage dito sa Torres Farm.
Wait lang.
Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Namamatay yung aming pasangin. Happy birthday to you. Okay, wish. Ayun, happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Paul and Gladys. Thank you so much, Sharpie Lorca, and also Amicably Vlog, and Junito Marinado Vlog. Thank you so much to all my family and friends. I love you all. Thank you.
Kainan na.
Kainan na.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, kainan na. Happy birthday! Ayun guys, kakain na kami.
Alright. Thank you so much. Here guys.
Thank you sa lahat na mga sponsors.
Sponsors. Thank you so much.
Banan.
That's it. Okay. Ayan guys, may train dito pa ikot-ikot. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Tingin. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. In 1, 2, 3. Guys, this is the Statue of Liberty here at New York. So we're in the Statue of Liberty, guys. Ready? 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dito na rin tayo guys sa Paris, France. Ito ang Eiffel Tower dito guys. May mga ducks dito guys. Bibi. Hindi sila tatlo. Dalawa lang ang nakikita ko. So ito guys yung children pool nila guys. Children's pool. Puntahan natin guys yung Leaning Pisa ng Italy. Yung Leaning Tower ng Pisa. Leaning Tower of Pisa guys. So ayan guys, kung gusto nyo sumakay ng train. So of course yung Philippines dito guys. So ito yung mga kubo dito sa Philippines. So andito kami guys sa Philippines na pool.
Asa na niyo? Camera.
Nasa magpapa.
So ligo kami dito guys sa Philippines. Ito yung Philippine pool. At malamig daw dito. Try namin. At itry natin dito guys sa Legoland pool. So this is the Legoland pool. So medyo cloudy kasi guys, kaya ganito yung kulay. Kaway-kaway. Yan, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Pupunta tayo guys sa Greece.
Bakit?
At ito naman guys yung pool dito sa Greece. Oh, try nyo guys. Try nyo na ang Greece pool. So guys, try natin dito sa Greece. Greece. Na-try namin yung iba't ibang bansa ngayong araw. So ang ganda ng mga ambience dito guys. So mayroong mga kwan dito guys. Banlawan niya yan. Guys, sa Australia. So this is the Sydney Opera House. And guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. This is the Sydney Opera House. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayos. 1, 2, 3. I am Groove. Lumapit si Groot guys.
Hello! Shout out!
Shout out. Ben guys. And that's the latest update guys here at Torres Farm. Junito Marinado Vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin.